From there, I want we talk about characteristics of a profession. What is a profession? How do you know this is a profession? So tell me characteristics of a profession. Before we even talk about a character, I've asked you, what is a profession? What is the meaning of a profession? I keep on saying someone is a professional. What is a profession? All of you are singing, yes? Yes? Yes, he's an expert in a particular field, yes? So you are an expert. You can be an expert in medicine. You can be an expert in teaching. You can be an expert in what? What else? There are many professions. Yes? What other profession? Yes? There's someone who's given an example, then they're scared. Why are people laughing? You can be... You give your own examples and you start laughing. So, characteristics is number one, you must have an higher education. Here what we are talking about, you should have specialized. Not just education, you should have specialized training. You went through thorough training. You should also be governed by rules and regulations of a particular profession. For example, here in teaching we also have our own rules, and these are called codes. We have a whole book for codes. Yes, we are told now what to do and what not to do. Those are rules and regulations that govern the teaching profession. So, therefore, there are also other rules and regulations governing other professions, like in medicine. We also have high standards of performance expected. So there is always a standard that you should, we call it a standard behavior that you should remit in a particular profession. Standard behavior is the expected behavior. For example, a doctor is not supposed to do mercy killing. Even if someone maybe he or she is suffering from cancer and he is undergoing a lot of what? Pain. You should not kill them. Or you get someone from an accident, maybe a road accident, and you find out all their intestines are outside. And you just stay there, you wait for them to die. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to do something to save what? Life. That is one of their standard performance. The standard performance of teaching, because I'm a teacher, is whereby you should be patient with your student. You keep on repeating. Even if they don't understand, you repeat. You repeat. If they are making mistake, you cancel them. You don't use corporal punishment. You cancel them. If they are not keeping quiet, tell them, kindly keep quiet. You cancel them. You tell them again, keep quiet. You don't get mad. You cancel them again. That's our standard. Yes. And we are adhering to that. Also, members of a particular profession are paid for their services. Do you know of any profession that people are not paid? None. All professions are paid. Who is not paid? Even those people who work in a fund, they are paid. All of them are paid. Also, members form a union. They form a union. For example, as teachers, we have which union? Yes, because ours is very... we form a union. T.S.E is not a union. Yes, which union do we form as professionals? Sorry? We have the NAT. The NAT for the primary school teachers. And then we have the CUPET for the post-primary teachers. Yes. So we have those unions that in case we do not feel that we are being treated the way it's supposed to be, they go ahead and talk on our behalf. Also, the members of a particular profession provide essential services to the community. In teaching, which service are we providing? Education. Yes. If you are in you're in the security profession, whereby you are the police, which service are you giving? Security. Yes. You are safeguarding them.